With plenty of online education platforms on the web, it doesn't seem easy to promote your talent and knowledge and create courses as your own business. Nevertheless, using the right tool, you can create a fully operational course to train your students and sell your products and services. In today's video, we will present to you Teachable, a learning management system that works similarly to an online classroom for designing and teaching online courses. So stick around to discover how great this tool can be for your business. Welcome to softwaretrailers.com. Teachable is a one-stop shop for creating and marketing online courses. You can use Teachable to build customized online courses and coaching products for entrepreneurs, innovators, and enterprises of all sizes. You don't have to worry about VAT, taxes, or author payments using the platform to collect payments. Plus, you can track sales, acquire insights into the courses that have been sold, and gather feedback via surveys on a centralized dashboard. Your website will be able to link to Teachable's Power Editor to produce multimedia lectures, videos, and coaching sessions. A course design template changes the look and feels of the course overview page, which students see when they log in. You can choose one of the many pre-made templates or make your own. The course design templates are easily updated. After activation, all enrolled students will have access to the template. Each class at your university might have its template. Besides, the Author Bio tab on the course design template includes an author image. The author bio image can be updated from the author's user profile. Using the dashboard, you can keep track of sales and student data when selling your courses. You can also construct eye-catching sales pages that generate revenue with the adaptable page. In addition, only Teachable supports and pays your authors, team members, and contributors, allowing you to customize their rights and roles. All transactions can be processed and paid out immediately within your Teachable school using Teachable built-in payment processor. Simply set up a payment gateway so that you can collect school money. Teachable Payments and the Monthly Payment Gateway are the two native payment alternatives accessible on Teachable, dependent on the country in which you are located. Your students can pay using Apple Pay, Google Pay, or enter credit card information as the default payment method on all native payment gateways. You can change your school's main settings, publish or unpublish it, and delete it with Teachable. You can change the options that influence your entire school, such as essential school information, branding, security, and privacy, as well as Teachable account settings. There are particular settings for all of your courses inside your school, such as lecture settings, course comment options, and course event tracking. Did you see that you can make amazing courses to train students and sell your products and services with this platform? Well, there's more to this. Before we continue, make sure to check the link in our video description to buy Teachable services. Besides, click the like button and subscribe to our channel so we can show many more great software videos like this one. And leave us a comment if you want to know about more software that can interest you. Now, let's see how your course can have integrations and support with Teachable. Several third-party apps can be integrated with Teachable. It is possible to connect your Teachable school to multiple email service providers, community platforms, analytics services, and others. Using third-party connections, you can link your school to other technologies you already use, making your online business run more smoothly. All school administrators can set up these integrations. Besides, connecting to your Teachable school is as simple as going to the Integrations menu and selecting it. Your student's course activity will be sent to analytics service tools if you link Teachable to any integration. Teachable sends these events to your integrated services by default, but you can disable this setting if you don't want it to. Email and live chat customer support are available if you need assistance with your school or can't find an answer to your question from the knowledge base. When you have all the knowledge you need at your fingertips, you'll be able to solve problems more quickly and efficiently. Using visual aids like pictures, videos, and links, you can save time by resolving or escalating concerns immediately through your conversation or ticket. As an added layer of protection, you can verify account ownership and include your school affiliates, authors, and students in the process of securing your account. If you prefer, you can open a ticket by clicking the question mark button on the Help Center widget in your school administration. You can then use the knowledge base to look for other resources. Design and create great courses using Teachable by clicking the link in the description. Also, check our playlist specific to our recommended industry-leading software providers, and don't forget to subscribe to our social media channels. Thanks for watching. See you next time.